Ayaw mo naman yan eh.
Kain ko pink.
Hindi nga, niluwa mo nga yung isa kanina.
Kain ko.
No na, kay Kuya Jelon yan eh.
Okay. Kain ko nga.
Yun dyan ko, mapapan mo.
Ayaw kain yung pink me. Ayaw kain yung...
Binigyan na kita, hindi mo nga kinain. Tapos gusto mo kunin yung pink. Hindi mo nga nataypan yung lasa.
Ay, binigyan yung pink me. This one.
Kanino ba yan?
For me.
Anong all me?
This not Jalon.
Okay, Kuya Jelon yan.
My, not Jalon. This
Oh, hingi ka muna kay Kuya Jelon. Asan si Kuya Jelon?
bird.
Oh, so worth.
You show me English.
Angry.
You not
Baka
Jalon.
na, ayun, tanggal na yun sa mesa.
I so low. You not Jalon. You.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung
I
sinasabi
so
mo.
I so big yana.
You're so big?
Di ko hook yana. I so big. This one masulog mo Jalon.
Kahit nang binabandayan mo eh.
I so angry you.
You're so angry. I'm so angry ka pa.
You not Jalon now.
Ginagaya mo ako? Exercise?
Are you, you baby,
Opo, gamit ni baby yan.
you not your dog, you're not me sick. Oh, look. Sulak. Hey, what's this that?
It's my clothes.
Oh, see it?
Opo.
Is this for you?
Yes, that's for me.
Is this for me? Is this for you? Is this for me? You're not your long now. I so English. I don't. You me English you yeah. You beat me up, Yana. I so strong. Too big.
You're so strong, talaga ba?
Jalon ka. I so hot, Yana. I so big. This one.
Ano ginagawa mo?
Hindi ayos ka.
Ano?
Ayos.
Exercise? Kanino mo ginaya yan?
No, kaya mo ito mo ayos.
Ganyan ba ako mag-exercise?
Ay, so yummy. Puntut.
Ako.
This is my open book. Hey. Oh, yeah.
Uy, kinain mo yung bundot ni Mickey Mouse.
This one. I so eat me Mickey Mouse. I so angry. I so angry. I so angry.
Sa'yo.